Question 6. This question is about some elements in group 7 of the compounds. Chlorine is added to some drinking water supplies to decrease the risk of people suffering from diseases such as cholera. State why the amount of chlorine added must be controlled. Because it's toxic / poisonous. If you have too much chlorine, it's going to become toxic and poisonous, therefore it's going to cause illness. But that's not necessary. It's toxic / poisonous. Given an equation for the reaction of chlorine with water to form a solution containing two acids, and explain with reference of electrons why this is a redox reaction. So chlorine with water, Cl2 plus water plus H2O to form HCl plus HClO. Cl2 plus H2O arrow HCl plus HClO. Why is it a redox reaction? Because chlorine gains an electron to form Cl minus, and chlorine loses an electron to form ClO minus. Chlorine gains an electron to form Cl minus and loses an electron to form ClO minus. Because you think about the oxidation states. Here is 0. Here that's +1, hydrogen +1, so Cl is going to be -1. And here, well, hydrogen's +1, oxygen is going to be -2. -2 plus 1 equals -1. Therefore, chlorine must be +1. So you can see chlorine gains an electron to form Cl minus, losing an electron to form ClO minus. I'm pretty sure the oxidation state of chlorine here is +1, but that's not necessary. Next question. Next question. The student bubbles chlorine gas through a solution of sodium iodide, given ionic equation for the reaction. So Cl2 plus 2I minus to form 2Cl minus plus I2. Cl2 plus 2I minus to form 2Cl minus plus I2. And then state the observations you would make. Well, brown solution. Brown solution. The iodine. Cl2 plus 2I minus to form 2Cl minus plus I2. 6.4. Student adds a few drops of concentrated sulfuric acid, small amount of solid sodium iodide. Given an equation for formation of these sulfur containing products. You got H2SO4 plus 2H plus 2I minus to form SO2 plus 2H2O plus I2, and you've also got H2SO4 plus 8H plus 8I minus to form hydrogen sulfide H2S plus 4H2O plus 4I2. H2SO4 plus 2H plus 2I minus to form SO2 plus 2H2O plus I2. H2SO4 plus 8H plus 8I minus to form H2S plus 4H2O plus 4I2. And the role of sulfuric acid in the formation of these products is an oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. Okay, 6.5. Student adds a few drops of acidified silver nitrate to solution with an unknown impure solid sodium halide. Student observes bubble of gas and a colourless solution. Student bubbles the gas through calcium hydroxide and a white precipitate forms. Deduce the identity of the sodium halide, suggest the identity of the gas, and given an ionic equation for the formation of this gas from purity. Well, because it gives a white precipitate, yeah, it's gonna be bubbles of gas with calcium hydroxide and white precipitate forms. It's gonna be the identity of sodium halide, NaF. Sodium fluoride. Suggest the identity of the gas, so obviously it's going to be carbon dioxide, CO2. Because bubbles of gas equals solution, and then the ionic equation was going to be for the formation of this gas was going to be CO3 2 minus plus 2H plus arrow CO2 plus H2O. CO3 2 minus plus 2H plus arrow CO2 plus H2O. And if I check right now, I'm going to check right now. This is in the textbook as well. So yeah, if you really learn the equations in textbook, you shouldn't really be struggling with this because you've already memorized them beforehand. So yeah, CO3 2 minus plus 2H plus to form CO2 plus H2O. 6.6. The ClF2 plus ion contains two different group 7 elements. Use your understanding of electron pair repulsion theory to draw the shapes of sign. Include any lone pairs of electron influence shape. Explain why the ion has the shape we have drawn and suggest a value for the bond angle in the ion. ClF2. Well, it's going to be ClF2. Well, it's just going to be like ClF. How many lone pairs of electrons is it going to have? Well, chlorine is in group 7. F is in group what group? So the chlorine is bonded to two fluorines, so it's going to be 8. minus 2, which is 6. So it will have 2 lone pairs of electrons. So here and here. Explain why the iron has the shape you have drawn. Well, the reason is because electron pairs repel each other to be as far apart as possible. In this case, it's going to be lone pairs repel each other to be as far apart as possible, or lone pair repulsion is greater than bond pair repulsion. And that is why the iron has the shape you've drawn, because lone pair repulsion is greater than bond pair repulsion. And then suggest a value for the bond angle in the iron. 104.5 degrees. Okay, then it says magnesium is using the extraction of titanium from titanium chloride. Give an equation for this reaction. Another equation they really like to use. Same with the phosphorus oxide. This one where it's P4 plus 5O2 to form P4O10. Pretty sure that's the equation. Yeah. Same way they really like to ask this equation. Same way for this one. Magnesium is using extraction of titanium from titanium chloride. So it's going to be, what is it going to be? It's going to be TiCl4 plus 2Mg arrow 2MgCl2 plus Ti. TiCl4 plus 2Mg, TiCl4 plus 2Mg, arrow 2MgCl2 plus Ti, and that is the end of question 6.